Alright, how we doing today? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I think it was a month since my last video, but I've been grinding, working, and I've been trying super hard and saving up my money to get this part, well, kit I should say, and now I got it. As you can tell by the title, you guys probably already know what it is. I wanted to do a little unboxing because it is an eBay Turbo Kit from eBay for my DC5, my Acura RSX Type S 2003. So yeah, without further ado, let me get on to the unboxing. Alright, so got the box open. This is a surprise as you guys are gonna be me unboxing this because it's my first time doing this. It's gonna be my first time putting it on the car. I'm gonna be doing it myself. If I need help, I do have people I can reach out to assist me with it, but for the most part, I do want to put it on myself. So yeah, let's get it started. First part, the down pipe. Holy cow, this thing is huge. Yeah, this is the down pipe. Huge. The intercooler. Oh boy, this thing is getting sexy. Damn. Pretty sure this is a part of the piping for the intercooler, so we're gonna get cracking. I feel like it's Christmas right here. So yes, this is all the piping, everything I need to set up the intercooler. Here's all the clamps that I need, all the piping. So the good thing about this piping, I don't need a tool for it. It's already cut off with the U shape on it, so that way when I put the clamps on there, it'll be a nice good set. So super excited for that. Can't wait to put this thing on. More piping. These are the I can't remember the name. The gaskets, yeah, there we go. Yeah, damn, looks like one's already bent. Yeah, these are the gaskets. Yeah. Gaskets, and then the screws for the gasket. Yes, I wonder what this one is. This is a pressure gauge. Oh boy. Oh yeah. This is the manifold. More gaskets. Another gasket right here, which is, yeah, it's really bad. Jesus Christ. It's all bent and stuff. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna use this. Yeah, no way. Yeah, this is a gasket. It's not even high material. Anyways, this is the gasket. Gasket for the downpipe, main for the downpipe. This is the gasket for the head, for the manifold. It's these. Oh, cool. So, if I'm not mistaken, this is for the oil feed line. Never mind. It's for the wastegate. This I didn't say that. This is for the wastegate. So yeah, it's for the wastegate. The click for the boost and everything. How much pounds of boost I'm gonna be running. Some more clamps. More boost gates. More connections. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. So, yeah, this is the wastegate. These are the springs that it comes with. They are put in there. So, yeah. And more connections and everything for that. Next thing. This is the blow valve. Cool. It's gonna give you a nice little sound. Well, hopefully. Oh, yes. The blow off valve. Blow off valve with that on there. Some screws up so I can connect everything together. The oil feed line. So that's pretty neat. Pretty neat to add that. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. And last but not least, the parts you guys are all excited about. That I'm excited about. The turbo kits. So, let's get it on. Oh boy. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Oh shit. So give me some more screws to put. Let's go. So, yes, this is the turbocharger, which I'm excited about. Alright, so that's the unboxing. I'm gonna bring the camera around so you guys can see. So, yes, this is everything. That's the old feed line.
that's the new and improved one, they say. So once I put it on, I'm gonna test it out and we'll see. Hopefully it's better. It comes with the T connector. This is the turbochargers. It's pretty heavy. People online when they said it's heavy. And this is the oil. This is the air pressure sensor, the wastegate, the blow-off valve, the down pipe, all that stuff in the pipe. That is the piping for the intercooler. The intercooler right there. So yeah, like I said, I did an unboxing on it. You know, if you want to, you know, follow up on me and installing this, you know, I'm going to try to document as much as I can. So, you know, if you want, you know, like, subscribe, you know, follow up in the future. And, you know, I'm going to be posting videos, try to post as many videos as I can, you know, the update, you know, how it goes. A few more other things I got to get. But for the most part, I have the turbo kit. I wanted to put the turbo kit on. So without further ado, I just got off work. It's damn near 6 in the morning, but I'm excited. I'm gonna put this thing on. So let's get it going, and I'll catch you guys later.